and welcome everybody in Vertex stock on 26 November. So let's see step by step. If you are new to this video, don't forget to subscribe and like. However, this is going to be such very important stock that can be applied here. So I think this is going to be referring back for what would happen if Vertex stock didn't go for blow up. So I think it's going to be the answer about the Vertex stock if it didn't go up. That's going to be the meaning of the stability of the vertex top to be in the stretched form. As the second thing that's going to be about there is nobody as would invest on this, but that happened on the another side. The another side happened here instead of this stretched form, and it increased in momentum. So vertex stock is going to be such a huge value on 300 USD and 317 USD. That's going to be so good. That's what I can think about as a trader in this stock. Hope you benefit from this video.